Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Mountain Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Nasdaq is up this morning. It's holding up 0.47% right now. Dow Jones is down slightly, negative 0.1%. S&P is up slightly, 0.17%. Nasdaq volume is little bit higher, 4% above average right this moment, minus 1.5% for NYSE volume. On stocks on the move, we are seeing some stocks on the move here. We'll go through them in a second. TTMI, Futu, Emba, KD, HIMS. Of course, HIMS had a huge down day the other day. Billy, Reddit, NVDA, Way, CLS, FCFS, AVGO, MGNI, TSM, Palantir. A lot of the tech stocks are on this list today. It has dwindled down a little bit. Not sure the volume is not showing as much strength, even though the Nasdaq is up. So let's take a look at QQQ on the index here. So we have broken out from this handle here on this chart, and that was yesterday. Monday we had the reversal, right? Bullish reversal on Monday, and then today we continue to follow through a little bit. But right now the market is showing a little bit of weakness at this moment. But we have 2 days of gap up here now, and so we'll see if this low holds today. That will be very important. It looks like it wants to test it at this moment. So those are things to watch out for today. Let's go to SPY. Very similar chart on SPY. Broken out right here. Yeah, very similar. Also this morning you can see it's trying to probably gonna test the lows here on the intraday here. So we'll see how that holds up. Yeah, let's go look at Dow. Dow is also testing the lows of the day right now. So here's the daily chart for Dow. So today it didn't go up more this morning like the other two index did. So just slightly weaker. And then IWM, same thing. It didn't go up this morning as much as the other two. So it's been going down now, and so this one's already, so both Dow and Russell definitely the weaker index compared to Nasdaq and S&P. So again, we are testing the lows of the day right now. So looking at individual stock, we want to watch for those signals as well. So let's see. Today is Wednesday here. This column. So we have AEIS on the move here, and it is making new highs and it's staying at the high. So again, what I do is I look at the intraday chart and look at this. This is going opposite of what the index is doing, right? Like that's how strong this one is. Like so the index is coming down, and look at the intraday chart right now. So this is very strong right now. So yeah, it's definitely a little bit extended now. Like let's look at where the 10-day is right here. Like it's definitely quite extended right now. But it's showing lots of strength, relative strength. So look at the RS line right now. Look at this. So that's a very strong stock at this moment. Okay, we have a AVGO here. AVGO has reversed a little bit from the highs this morning. So following the trend of the index. So again, we may test the lows of the day. So that's that one. Bumble and really strong earnings, I believe. A gap up, fall back down. It did fell slightly below the gap low here of the day, intraday low of the day, and then right now it's trying to find support. So this was yeah, it went as high as the 200-day here. Very strong move today. Let's see if the earnings got updated yet. Might, yeah, I don't think it got updated yet. Mm, Actually, that's not earnings news. It's not earnings related. Yeah, I'm not sure what the news is actually. Sorry for that. I thought it was earnings related. Anyhow, yeah. So I have to look into that news here. There must be something. CRDO. So CRDO also pulled back. This one was, again, many stocks are quite extended, so it doesn't surprise me that a lot of them are, hitting new high this morning and then pulling back, right? So the question is like, what is it gonna do after this pullback? Is it gonna like so right now we're seeing a slight bounce here. It's trying to hold that low, or is it gonna come back down and test the lows and continue to go lower? So those are things to watch out for. Um, but this is another strong stock, right? Like, yeah, it broke out right there. Okay, let's keep going here. Yeah, KD looks like it's breaking out nicely right here. Very nice pattern here. Yeah, it's pulling back as well. Let's see how intraday is doing. So this one is actually looks pretty strong, like because it hasn't come near the lows, but right now it's trying to hold right here. So we'll see. Yeah, so this one is looking pretty good right now. That's KD. MGNI, this is one of the top growth stocks on my list. Again, very strong, extended, right? Now they're pulling back a little bit from the 10-day here, and it's trying to hold the lows here. Look at this low here. It's trying to hold that, so that looks really good. And so again, I would compare every stock to like let's say if it's a tech stock, I would compare to Nasdaq. So what is the QQQ doing? It's hitting new lows right now, but yet this stock is actually going higher, right? So that's the difference. So relative wise, you can see which stocks are performing better than the index today. Um, NVIDIA. So I think NVIDIA is trying to break out right now. You see this high right here? Look at that move. So this is a very strong move, right? So we have bullish reversal on Monday. Tuesday was a gap up day, and today was another gap up day. And again, what is this stock doing comparing to the index? It's falling a little bit now, but still overall it's you know very healthy, right? Compared to QQQ. Like again, it's there's this movement here, but right here it didn't go down, so lots of buying this morning for Nvidia. So yeah, again, anything can change. So just because they're relatively performing early this morning doesn't mean the whole day they can sustain that. So we have to watch for that, right? But at least at this moment, it looks more healthier than the index. So it's giving me some confidence that the tech stocks are doing better today than most other areas in the market. So here's Palantir. Palantir also came out right here. So new highs this morning, reversing. This one is reversing a lot more than other. So it's already tested the lows here. So yeah. So again, Palantir is not the smoothest stock. It's quite choppy. Like to trade is kind of hard. You almost have to like do more position trading than swing trading on this one. Um, Reddit. Reddit also hit new high this morning and reversed. Again, many stocks are extended, so it doesn't surprise me that it reversed. So this morning, you can see it already broke the low right here. It's breaking to new lows right now. So yeah, the Reddit have a little bit more swing too as a than other stocks. So STX here. So XTX continue to run very strong. If we go look at MU, which is also in the same data storage group, this one is reporting today, so it could impact both stocks when this one announced. So that's something to watch out for. Let's look at another big chip maker, Taiwan Semiconductor. Look at this. Just like NVIDIA is breaking to almost new high here, like very close. It's getting very close. So very strong. What's TSM? Way Holdings is not high rankings, right? Really low on my ranking, but it did make a move. Oh, okay, look at it. Sorry, pulling back. But that's not a good sign. So let's yeah. There wasn't many retail stocks at all today that was on the move. On the industrial side, we have CLS making new highs. Look at that. So that's CLS Celestica, very strong. HGI, this one also making new highs. Oh no, it didn't. This it just kind of went sideways, and it got tested at the lows here today already. So it looks like it had a little bit of trouble today for HGI. Because there was news about some spending increase, right, by NATO, that might be announced or maybe not announced yet. I can't remember. But yeah, it's just like ITA ETF, which is the defense. It's holding really nice, tight here. We'll see if it breaks out, but a lot of defense stocks have been moving lately. So HGI is one of them. There's lots. There's so many in this group. So I think the other stocks, HWM, so this is one on my list. Yeah, very close to breaking out as well. So we'll watch for that. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if the announcement happened yet or not. Um, but so that could make a move there. We'll see. Next one, VRT. So this one also make new high this morning, pulling back. So when they pull back, you want to see that they pull back like slightly, right? You don't want to give up too much of yesterday's gain. It'll be best if it just stay near the previous day's high. That's what you want to see. So previous day high is right there, and you can see it's slightly below it right now. So if it comes down too hard, then obviously it broke that high pretty easily. And but if it holds near that high, even if it undercut a little bit and then it bounced, that's a really good sign. Like so so that's what we'll be watching. In the health side, health has been really weak lately. I don't know. This week especially. But PHC today make a move. Uh, this is a $25 stock, so and low volume, so it would be definitely more volatile. It's been building this sideways pattern for a while now, so it comes up right now. If it holds this close, I think it'll be pretty bullish. But again, very thin stock, you can see it's not. It can be easily manipulated. So that's that one. What else are there? Let's look at CISO on the financial side. So financials have been like behind the scene is really the ones that are really dominating the market this last few days more than tech. If I show you the market trend, on Monday there's 78 net accumulation minus distribution, meaning like the number of stocks that are there's way more accumulation than distribution. That's what this number means, and it's dominating financials right now. Compared to tech, it's not bad. Retail not bad. Industrial not bad, but tech is financials are the one that's dominating. Again, a lot of them are laggards, so I don't have many financial stocks on my growth list because they don't have the strongest earnings. CISO is definitely by far the number one leader in the growth sector, I believe, like not just in the financial, even as an overall. Um, Today it did reverse, so it's testing the lows this morning already. So we'll see if it can hold here, because like I said, this was a very strong move yesterday. Um, Let me see how many percent. 10% yesterday, yeah. And this continued to be stock that I don't know. I don't hear many people talk about this, especially not on CNBC. So anyhow, so that's CISO. Another stock that did well yesterday as well was Upstart. It gap up yesterday and it closed at almost 10%, 9.79%. So today it's giving back quite a bit. Um, so it's testing the lows right now, and this is the yesterday's gap up low here. So we'll see what happens there as well. But yeah, those two stocks are pretty strong. There's other ones like SoFi, Tolls, yeah. But you can take a look at those yourself and affirm. Other than that, we'll be watching out for the market, how it closed today. That's always the most important thing. We're getting very close to so for QQQ, we are already at new high, 540.81. Yeah, we're already at new high. So if we look at Nasdaq Composite itself, right? We're not there yet. We're very close. Like, we're just trying to make the 20,000 mark, and then 2204 is the previous high. So we're getting very close to it. S&P 6147. We're at 6096 right now. These two index are very close to all-time highs, and we'll see what how it's gonna if and how it's gonna break out to new highs. So thank you for watching. Have a very good day. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.